In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Truth Social on PC. So as we all know, there's no PC equivalent for Truth Social, but we could get around this by using a emulator for our PC. So this emulator is actually called BlueStacks, which actually emulates a phone into your PC. So just go ahead and download this one. So it's really easy. Once you get that .exe file, just install it. It's not gonna ask any information. It's gonna set up everything for you on your account. So just allow those installation files. So once you've done that, for example, I'm gonna open this one, and from here you'll see this loads up, and in this homepage you'll actually see the Google Play or Play Store here. So here we want to go to our system apps, go to Play Store, and from here you just want to type in Truth Social, and from here when you search this one, it's actually going to appear here. Just need to install this one and log in into your account, and that's basically it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.